Hi friends, welcome back to my channel iQOO. In this I'm going to demonstrate what is the touch sampling rate on the iQOO 9 SE device. Yes friends, I'm getting plenty of comments regarding this touch sampling rate, so that's what I'm going to demonstrate in this video. So official statement from the iQOO is that the phone has got the 300 Hz touch sampling rate and 1000 Hz instant touch sampling rate in the iQOO 9 SE device. So I'll try to use the same applications which I used in plenty of other videos. So let's get started friends without wasting any time. So let me quickly open these two applications. So first application, which is called the touch multitest as well. So in this application we'll be able to find out exactly what is happening with the touch sampling rate in this device. Right now whenever I try to draw some line or any kind of move my finger on this application, right now you should be able to see some kind of number, so which is displaying about 230. As you can see, 230 and 240 somewhere around that kind of number. And what are the number you do get here? You need to do the minus with the refresh rate. Okay, so right now we're getting 240 Hz, so 240 minus 120, so 120 Hz touch sampling that we are getting. But I did try to use this ultra game mode. Right now, as you can see friends, ultra game mode I'll try to enable. In iQOO phones, what happens is that you can actually get the higher touch sampling rate if you use the ultra game mode. Without using ultra game mode, you will get less touch sampling rate. But right now, as you can see friends, I did enable this ultra game mode as well, and everything. Monster mode also got enabled. Everything is enabled successfully. Now look at this touch sampling rate. It's not increasing. It's not increasing. It's remaining exactly 240. I'm not sure what is happening with this, but in the iQOO 7 device there is no problem like that. So this is the iQOO 7 device right now which I'm trying to use, and same thing, I'm trying to use this application and draw some lines, and you can see clearly which shows about 420 I'm getting the value. As you can see friends, 420 I'm getting, maybe as you can see 415. So 420 minus 120 Hz refresh rate, so you will be getting 300 Hz touch sampling rate. So what are the value you are getting? You need to do the minus with the refresh rate. As you can see, this is the iQOO 7 smartphone. In iQOO 7, no issues with the touch sampling rate, but in the iQOO 9 SE, that's kind of shockingly, like, even I am really shocked to see this kind of low touch sampling rate. So we do know the 1000 Hz touch sampling rate we cannot measure, but we can actually measure the 300 Hz touch sampling rate. It's kind of possible, but right now I'm not getting. So right now I did try to use a different application which is touch screen test as well. This will also give a clear idea and clear picture what's going on with the overall touch sampling rate. So let me draw some lines, and you should be able to see it's not detecting much touch inputs, like more, like the way the other phones detect. For example, this phone has got 300 Hz touch sampling rate, so this phone will detect more touch sampling rate. Right now, as you can see, it's kind of very smooth. Right now I did try to enable this monster mode as well. That's the reason now it's kind of very smooth lines, as you can see, very smooth. So many touch inputs are detecting. But right now let me to enable same kind of ultra game mode for this application. Let's go to the ultra game mode and add this application as well. I'll try to show you the proof what's happening. We'll try to find out exactly is the touch inputs kind of very smooth or not. As you can see, it's not smooth. It's not smooth at all. You can clearly see friends the difference what's happening here. So all friends, the touch sampling rate, it's kind of only I think 120 Hz by default right now it's kind of set, whereas in the iQOO 7 device it's kind of very smooth touch inputs. As you can see, very smooth, but whereas in this iQOO 9 SE, not that smooth. As you can see, not many touch inputs are detecting. So I'm not sure what's going on at this moment. I did try to do plenty of other different settings as well, but still I was unable to figure out like the way to increase the touch sampling rate in this device, unfortunately. And this is a quick feedback which I was just giving for you all regarding this what's going on in this device regarding the touch sampling rate. And there is no option for the touch sensitivity to increase and decrease, I guess. No option for that, nothing at all. It's not helping, guys. So that's it friends, thank you for watching. And overall in my testing I found out is that the phone has got 120 Hz touch sampling rate in my testing. And not only this application, even other application also behaving the same way, like 120 Hz mobile phone, like less number of touch inputs. As you can see clearly, less number of touch inputs. So maybe hopefully with the next software updates they might be able to fix this kind of small thing which is going on in the iQOO 9 SE device. So meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. Until next time for more updates, and bye.